Alright, today I'm going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the dance to the song Bouncin' G5 by Chris Brown. And as always, I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys. Let's go. Alright, let's start with the first mini section. Let me just show you a quick preview so you know what you're about to learn. Alright, it goes like this. 8, 8. Alright, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is say jump cross, right is in the front. Now at the same time, I also want to take my left arm and place it like this, all right? And when I'm here, I want to jump out again, and my arm is going to come out to the side, okay? So let me just rewind. I went jump cross, arm here, and then out again, arm goes out, okay? So when I do it a bit fast, it's going to look like this. All right? Only this time, I want you to, as soon as you jump out again, I want you to lean slightly to your right, all right? So it looks like this. Because from here, what you want to do is take your right and go up like that. Okay, so let me just show you what it looks like this. Yeah, you can lift your foot if you want to, all right? Sort of do a flick with my heel here. Okay, let me just show you again, just watch. Okay, let's just try that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, out, lift, up. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, out, lift, up. Now you want to repeat it to the opposite side. All right, so from here, just went down. Now you want to jump across. This time it's just the left, the right goes over here, and then you want to say out, and then you want to say Okay, just take some time to think it over, what it is that you're actually doing. So you're doing wing. All right, just the complete opposite of what you did before. So actually, let's just practice it one more time. 5 to this side. 5. So I'm trying to jump like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wing. Now let's try and combine it. So let me recap. It's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Let's try it. Alright? I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna jump. 5. First this way and then that way. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's try that a few more times. But before we do, I just want to explain the timing as well. So I think it's easiest if we just stick to the count. So the count goes and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And just show, just watch. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, let's practice. I'm gonna go. She do it, she like to do it on the wrong way. And 1 and 2 and so on. Ready? She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's try that again. She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, guys, one last time. A bit faster. She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, guys, feel free to practice some more if you need to. But if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 2. All right, mini section 2. Let me show you a quick preview. It goes like this. Boom, ha, and wah, boom. Okay, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is take a small step with your left, slightly back, because you want to prep and go pop. All right, so my right leg, I'm lifting it, and I'm turning my knee inwards, all right, and I want to tap like that, okay? So it looks like this with the prep here. Prep, boom, okay? Again, prep, boom. Now my arms, I want to follow and do a circular move here. Follow the knee, boom, okay? So let me show you again. Prep, boom. Now I want to step prep here, and then I want to do boom to the other side, okay? So prep, boom, prep, boom. Let me just show you, just watch. Prep, boom, prep, boom. I don't know if you can notice the arms are going from here, boom, down, boom. Okay, let me show you again. Boom, down, boom. With the legs, boom, down, boom. Okay, and then let me show you the last bit as well. You want to go point, point, throw it down, and then jump up, all right? So this is the activation for your jump, okay? Burp, burp, jump. Burp, burp, notice the prep, jump, okay? I kind of prep slightly before I hit my hands down here because that's when I want to jump, okay? Where. All right, just a quick recap here of midsection 2. So when prep, bang, prep, bang, and hit, shoulder, boom. Okay, let me explain the timing. So the timing goes and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, pretty simple, just on and counts. So let me just show you again, just watch. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And if you can, try to land on 1, but the hang time is a bit long. So I understand if you can't hold it that long. All right, time to practice. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go and 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, guys, let's try and do mini section 1 and mini section 2 together, all right? So we don't forget the first few moves. Let me do a quick recap, and then we're gonna practice. All right, recap, it goes like this. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And like we did before, I'm just gonna sing. She do it just like to do it on the wrong way. And 1, and so on. Ready? She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's try again. She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Alright guys, as always, feel free to pause the video and practice if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 3. Okay, preview of mini section 3, let me just show you quickly what you're about to learn. It goes like this. She bustin' like she trying to feel professional. Okay, let me break that down for you. Before we do the legs, I just want to explain the arms because the legs are more or less on autopilot, alright? So the arms are going out, in, what? Okay, so I'm going out, in, and up with your arms. Now, the timing goes like this. She busted like she tryna go professional. Just try with me a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. She busted like she tryna go professional. 5, 6, 7, 8. She busted like she tryna go professional. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. She busted like she tryna go professional. 5, 6, 7, 8. She busted like she tryna go professional. Okay, so once we know how to do the arms, let's do the legs. Let me show you a simple version and then I'll show you the right version, all right? So the simple version is just stepping on the spot like this. All right, notice I'm sort of leaning from side to side, or it's more actually it's moving from side to side, all right? All right, that's the simple version, just stepping on the spot, switching leg to leg, all right? The more advanced, the right version is going up, pushing the other leg to the side, all right? So my left is going up on my heel, pushing my toes to the side, like that. And I do that as I step this foot down. And then I bring this one up, the other one goes to the side, this one goes up, the other one goes to the side. That's the move, alright? So we want to do the right move, you want to go. She busted and now she's trying to go professional. Or the simple version, she busted and now she's trying to go professional. Up to you. Either way, try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go. She busted like 5, 6, 7, 8. She busted like she's trying to go professional. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. She busted like she's trying to go professional. Okay, mini section 4. Quick preview. It goes like this. Ba 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 ra. A a a. Hey! Alright, let me break that down for you. So, the beginning is very simple. You just go hammer, hammer, down. Now, when you're down here, you just want to say out with your knees like that, alright? You can do wiggle, wiggle if you can. Then you just want to go up with your whole upper body here because you were down here. That's what you do, alright? So, let me just recap from the tip to top. Bang, bang, bang. Now, from here, what you want to do is a step with your left up here, and then you want to go left. Alright, so the move is sort of doing opposite things. So the first thing you do is you're up in level, you're stepping with your right, facing this way, and then you want to do the complete opposite. You go down, face the other way, up, A, up, A, up, A. Alright, so let me just show it from the side. I'm doing up, A, up, A, up, A. Okay, just want to do 2 of those. So let me just recap from the tip to top. We did hammer, 2, 3, wiggle, up, step, A, step, A. Not sure what I'm doing with the arms. I think I'm doing throw, throw. You do whatever you want, all right? So let me recap from here. You did 1, 2, 3, wiggle, up, step, right, left, right, left. Let me explain the timing as well. So from here, there's a very clear sound that goes boom, boom, boom. And then it's also this one. Okay, so that's what we're going for. Boom, boom, boom. And then it counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom, boom, boom. Step, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da. 1. A, 2. A. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da. And step. A, 3, 4. Alright guys, let's do it all the way from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Alright, all the way from the tip to top goes like this. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I just realized that I forgot to do sing this part, so I'm just gonna do that with the singing as well here. So it goes like this. She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1. She busted like she trying to go professional. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's practice, guys. I'm gonna sing. She do it just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1. She busted like she tryna go professional. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-da-da. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, let's try that slightly faster. Okay? She do just like they do it on the wrong way. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1. She busts it like she tryna go professional. Boom, 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 ba-da-da. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, feel free to pause the video and practice at your own pace if you need to. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. Alright, it goes like this. She do it just like she did it on the wrong way. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1. She busts it like she professional. Boom, 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 and boom. Probably doing 100 after 100. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.